Hey, I got a message in this next moment from my book, Rich is Good, Wealthy is Better, that really will empower you. See, I interviewed many years ago the first black billionaire, Bob Johnson, on my Willie Jolley Wealthy Way show and podcast. And at the time, he said something I could not understand. I couldn't get it. He said he was looking to make more money in bed. I said to myself, how can somebody make money in bed? I only know of one kind of person who makes money in bed, and I didn't want to be in that business. Yet I learned in time that he was talking about making money while you sleep as a result of the assets that your money makes, that you own, the assets you own, that your money makes money for you. I was ignorant when he first said it. And over the years, I learned what he meant. See, Quincy Jones said something, and I wrote about it in the book. He said, you must learn how to make money standing up and make money while you are asleep, laying down. That's why I wrote the book. Quincy Jones said you have to own your publishing, own your copyrights, own your intellectual capital. And when you do that, you make money while you sleep. Look, this is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. If you want to get some free chapters from the new book, Rich is Good, Wealthy is Better, just go to richisgoodwealthyisbetter.com, richisgoodwealthyisbetter.com, and then share this video with everybody you know. Remember to make the most of each and every minute, because your best is still yet to come. Have a great day.